Happy Engineers Day. The engineers have always been the touchstone and cornerstone of the development of India ever since independence. Whether it was the Bharat, the Bakra Nangal Dam, or it has been various projects of going into space. The engineers have been touchstone and cornerstone of development in this country. Our engineers are also extremely important in the IT sector, and the entire IT sector growth in India as well as in the United States has been due to Indian engineers. Today, India is going through a development phase where, in spite of all the setbacks due to COVID and other issues, we do have a growth of more than 7% per annum. However, we don't need to grow faster, and so we are. Today, we are constructing more than 35 kilometers of national highways per day. We're doing development, and at the same time, our Prime Minister indicates that we want sustainable development, green development, environmentally friendly development. All this puts a lot of pressure on engineers. On one side, we need to scalable in order to see that the benefits of science, economy, growth of India percolates to one and all. Housing for all becomes so important. All these aspects of it and more will be needed for us, India, to grow. So, engineers, I wish you a very, very happy Engineers Day. May you progress further, bring pride to the Indian community here and internationally. And the growth of all our engineers will bring prosperity, sustainability, and great climate to India and the rest of the world. Wonderful to talk to you today.